Your home's windows and doors play a major role in comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Over time, however, even the best-built materials can wear down, especially in Smithtown's mix of warm summers, cold winters, and coastal humidity. When that happens, your home may begin to show subtle, and sometimes not so subtle, signs that it's time for an upgrade. If you've been noticing drafts, higher energy bills, or difficulty opening your windows or doors, you're likely due for a replacement. Here are some clear signs that it's time to replace your windows and doors in your Smithtown home, and why doing so is one of the smartest improvements you can make. Rising energy bills. One of the first indicators that your windows or doors need replacing is a spike in your energy costs. If your heating or cooling system seems to be working overtime just to maintain a comfortable temperature, worn-out seals or inefficient materials may be to blame. Older windows and doors allow air leaks and drafts, forcing your HVAC system to use more energy to keep your home comfortable. Modern replacements, on the other hand, are designed with insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, and weather-resistant seals that keep indoor air in and outdoor air out. By upgrading, you'll not only improve comfort but also reduce monthly utility costs, a benefit every Smithtown homeowner can appreciate year-round. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. If certain rooms in your home always feel colder in the winter or hotter in the summer, it's often because your windows or doors have lost their ability to insulate properly. Run your hand around the edges of your windows and door frames. If you feel a breeze, that's a sign that air is leaking in. Even small drafts can make a big difference in your comfort level and energy efficiency. New, energy-efficient windows and doors eliminate these drafts, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures no matter the season. This upgrade can also make your home quieter, blocking out outdoor noise for a more peaceful living environment. Condensation between glass panes. Seeing fog or moisture trapped between window panes is a clear sign that the window's seal has failed. Once that happens, your window loses its insulating gas and can no longer maintain proper thermal efficiency. Not only does this affect visibility and comfort, but it can also lead to mold growth or frame damage if ignored. Replacing these windows promptly helps protect your home from moisture problems and restores clarity to your views. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking. If your windows or doors stick, jam, or won't latch properly, they're likely past their prime. Over time, humidity, temperature changes, and everyday use can cause frames to warp or swell, especially with older wood or aluminum models. Doors that don't close securely or windows that won't lock properly also pose a security risk. Modern replacements offer smooth operation and advanced locking systems designed to keep your family safe. Professional installers can ensure your new windows and doors fit perfectly and operate effortlessly, enhancing both convenience and protection. Visible damage or deterioration. Sometimes, the signs are obvious. Cracked glass, rotting wood, peeling paint, or rusted hardware are all indicators that your windows and doors have reached the end of their lifespan. Beyond appearance, this kind of wear can lead to water leaks, drafts, and even pest intrusion. Replacing damaged windows and doors not only restores your home's look but also prevents costly structural repairs down the road. Outdated design or poor curb appeal. Even if your windows and doors are still functional, outdated designs can make your home look tired or mismatched with its surroundings. In a community like Smithtown, where curb appeal adds tremendous value, new windows and doors can make your home look fresh, modern, and well-maintained. From stylish glass-paneled entry doors to sleek vinyl or fiberglass windows, today's designs combine elegance with performance. You'll enjoy better aesthetics, improved resale value, and a home that feels brand new inside and out. Too much outside noise. If you can clearly hear traffic, neighbors, or barking dogs while indoors, your windows and doors may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Modern replacements use multi-pane glass and insulated frames to reduce outside noise, giving you a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Final thoughts. If you've noticed any of these signs, rising energy bills, drafts, foggy glass, or visible damage, it's time to consider replacing your windows and doors. For homeowners in Smithtown, professional replacement offers more than just visual improvement. It enhances comfort, lowers utility costs, improves security, and increases property value. By choosing high-quality materials and working with local experts who understand Long Island's climate, you'll ensure your new windows and doors perform beautifully for years to come, keeping your home efficient, secure, and full of natural light.